liebe Leute, welcome back to my channel Unique German Learning with Rashmi. So today we are going to learn Lektion Fear, which is lesson 4. Lektion Fear. Fear is 4 and Lektion is lesson, as you know. Zahlen part 2. Zahlen means numbers. Zahlen, numbers. So today we are going to do 21 to 100. I hope you have a good command on numbers till 20. Let's move ahead. Please don't forget to repeat after me. Let's begin. In English, we say it 21. So it is the number 21, but here the things are different in German. As in English, we say the number as it is written. 2 first and then 1, 21. But in German, we take the number from behind. For example, 20 is 20 and 1 is 1. But we say here 1 first. 1 plus 1 plus 20. 1 plus 1 plus 20. As we can see that it's 21. But S is removed from here. So it's an exception. 21. Again, 21. Next, 22. So here we can see that 2 is 2 and 20 is 20. So the number after the first number is taken as first, which is 2. 2 plus 1 plus 20, which is 22. Again, 22. Un means and. 22. Next is 23. 3 plus 1 plus 20. So it's 23. Again, 23. Next, 24. 4 plus und plus 20. So it's 24. Again, 24. Next is 25. 5 plus und plus 20. So this is 25. Again, 25. Next is 26. 6 plus und plus 20. So it's 26. Again, 26. Next is 27. 7 plus und plus 20. So it's 27. Again, 27. Next is 28. 8 plus und plus 20. So it's 28. 28. Next is 29. 9 plus und plus 20. So it's 29. Again, 9 plus und plus 20. 29. 30. 30 is 30. 30 is 30. Again, you can see here the difference between 20 and 30. 20 is 20 and 30 is 30. So, this 20 has taken set and 30 has taken S set. So, only the 13 among all the tens number takes S set. For example, 40, 50, 60, 70 doesn't take S set. Okay. Next is 31. 1 plus und plus 30. So again it is exception. So 31. 31. No S. Again 31. So now just like 21 to 29, the number go on from 31 to 39 and then from 41 to 49 and so on. Now we'll be doing just the number in tens, which is 40. 40 is fear-sish. 4 is fear and sish. Fear-sish. 50 is fyum-sish. Again, fyum-sish. Next is 60, which is also an exception. So 6 is zex plus zish. So S will be removed from here. So it's zexish. Next is 70. Again, this is an exception. 7 is sieben. But en should be removed from here. Then it is zebsish. Again, zebsish. Fear-sish, fyum-sish, zexish, zebsish. Next is 80, which is 8 plus sish, arksish. Arksish. Next is 90. 9 plus sish, neunsish. Neunsish. Then 100. 100 is hundert. Again, hundert. Either you can say hundert or 100. Both are correct. Hundert or 100. So, with our numbers from 1 to 100. So, let's begin with our test. Wie ist deine Handynummer? Or wie ist ihre Handynummer? Deine is informal and ihre is formal. So the meaning is, what is your mobile number? Again, wie ist deine Handynummer, which is informal, and wie ist ihre Handynummer, which is formal. Meaning is same. What is your mobile number? So the answer will be, meine Handynummer ist. Again, meine Handynummer ist 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. So from here you can write it in your notes. Again, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. So now tell me, wie ist ihre Handynummer? Write down in your notebook and practice. Now, for practice, I ask you a few numbers. Take few seconds for answer and you can pause video if it takes time for you. So, first is 54, then 65, next 78, and then 99. Please pause the video and write down it in your notebook. 54 is fear und fyum-sish. Fear und fyum-sish. As 50 is fyum-sish and 4 is fear. So fear und fyum-sish. 65 is fyum und zexish. Fyum und zexish. 5 is fyum and 60 is zexish. 78 8 und siebsish. 8 und siebsish. 99 9 und neunsish. 9 und neunsish. Wie alt sind Sie? Which is a formal one. When we are asking someone in a formal way, then we say Sie. Wie alt sind Sie? Or wie alt bist du? Which is informal one. So the meaning is, how old are you? Again, wie alt sind Sie? Or wie alt bist du? Meaning is same, how old are you? So, ich bin 23 Jahre alt. Again, ich bin 23 Jahre alt, which means I am 23 years old. So, either you can write Jahre alt or not, it's your choice. So, ask this question to yourself and answer it in your notebook. Next is revision of numbers. 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30 30, 40 40, 50 50, 60 60, 70 70, 80 80, 90 90, 100 100 or 100. So I think it's enough for today. Do practice as much as you can. So at last, thank you so much. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also click on the bell icon to get the notification of the video. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section below. Thank you so much.